Hey everybody, so got a quick tool haul video to do from Amazon, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so got these two items from Amazon. I did a video, a tool deal video on this specific tool. This is the Dewalt 20 volt max lithium ion XR brushless router. It's a compact router, tool only. Amazon is having a deal on this. It is $144 instead of the $199 it normally is everywhere else. This is a Collin's coping shoe or coping foot for jigsaws. So this is just going to be a quick little tool haul look. The unboxing will be in a separate video. I'm just going to give some information on this. Brushless motor maximizes runtime and durability. Soft starting, variable speed motor with electronic brake, dual LEDs, and clear sub bass. Adjustment ring enables controlled bit depth changes within 1/64th or 0.40 millimeters. Base diameter is 4 inch. Variable speed 16,000 to 25,500 RPMs. Tool weight, tool only, is 3.4 pounds. Collet is a 1/4 inch collet. Included is a DCW600B, which is bare tool, compact router, and wrench. And I think that's all you get in this package. For whatever reason, Amazon couldn't put the stupid sticker on the back of the box where it says ship to. For whatever reason, they couldn't put it here. They had to stick it kind of, in my opinion, half-assed on the front of the box. I peeled the sticker so I can at least see the serial number, model number on the front. Again, this is DCW600B, Dog Charlie Whiskey 600 Bravo. So we're going to cut the video here. I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate your time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.